All right, real quick, alternator replacement. This is a Honda Civic 2012 model, but kind of goes from like 2010 to maybe 2014 or so. So you've got several years that this video will actually work on. And let me show you how to change this alternator real quick. We'll make it fast. These are how-to videos to help people out here in the yard trying to do something. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks as well that makes it a lot easier so you're not fumbling around. Let me show you what I've done here. First things first, we're going to want to unhook the battery so that we can take the main wire off the alternator so that it does not ground and make a big spark and a big fire show. And you can do this with a ratchet. There's enough room in there. If I'm using my serpentine belt tool kit thingy, 19 millimeter. And what I've done is I've kind of fixed up a thing because this has got a loaded tensioner. And the belt is all wrapped around about 100 pulleys down there, and it's a pain in the butt to try to get them on without, getting underneath the vehicle. So what I've done is I've used my ratchet strap and hooked this on to, there's a bracket in the back there that holds the AC line, and there's not a lot of pressure here, so you can hook on, not to the AC line, but that bracket that stabilizes it. And then I used a pair of vice grips just to keep my ratchet strap up top where I need it to be. That's my thing. And then I've just ratcheted it back, and that holds that in place. And then I used a bungee cord once I took the belt off the pulley to keep tension on the rest of these pulleys to keep the belt where it needs to be so it doesn't come off of anything else. Then I just sort of looped it around the bumper and just hooked it on up under the bottom there, so that way it can just sort of hang on. And then at the very bottom of the alternator is a 12 millimeter bolt, which I've already broke loose, but it's at the very bottom part of the alternator, and I got to it from the top here, and I used a 3/8 drive ratchet with just a regular deep well socket. Got to that bottom bolt. That's the hardest part about this job here. And then once I've done that, I'll get that bolt out. I'll get the top bolt out. That's right here. This alternator will come right out of the top. And then I'll just replace it with new alternator. But that's just some tips and tricks that you can use, and you can use this same method on a lot of other vehicles when you're just servicing one part of the belt system and not need to take the whole belt off. Thank you guys for watching. And like I say, if you like what we're doing out here with these quick videos on how-tos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. That helps the algorithm, and share this out on your social media platforms. That way we can kind of grow together. The channel's a grower, guys. Anyways, more stuff to come, and I hope, like I say, I can just help you guys with these short, quick little videos on how-tos. Have a wonderful everything. All right, I'm out. Bye. See you.